So my delivery is here. It just arrived.
But I'll be on it always, always, forever.
I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend.
Hairstyle that I went with.
I don't know what hair you talking about, Mama.
Okay, so this is my hair. This is the fit that I got on.
I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, got a mean stash.
So right now I'm just gonna be deleting all of the stuff off of this computer. And get ready to set it up for the girls. That's what I'm doing. So my delivery is here. It just arrived. Oh, thank you. Hold this. Thank you. No problem. You too. Yeah.
Mom, what are these?
Yo, this.
Come on, you need to get lighting.
Okay, make sure I got some good lighting.
Alright, yeah, there you go.
So this is what I've been waiting for, y'all. So I'm not gonna open it up here, but I'm very
What is it, Mama?
delicate with this. And also, this is what I ordered off of Canva. So in my last vlog, I showed you guys that I was making myself, my own poster. So this is it. So I'm gonna open this one first, because this is basic. But y'all gonna be excited for what I got too, because it kind of sorta benefits y'all.
Oh, okay.
So it came in a box like this. Good things start here. And this is like my second time ordering off of Canva.
Oh, this is Canva, Mom?
Yeah, this is Canva.
What is this Canva?
So this is what I created.
This is your poster?
I don't know what it looks like, but I know what I created online. So I got my quotes on there. I am productive. I am wealthy. I am grateful. I am healthy. I am successful. And I am powerful.
So is this going in that little
Yep,
picture?
this is going in there. So we're gonna. My whole office is about to be set up. Okay. So get the scissors too, y'all.
I get scissors around. This big, huge box, and it says it's for us girls also. So yeah. Oh my God!
Hold on, is this going in our room?
No. So you see this little sign here.
From Apple, okay. It's from Apple.
You gotta be very
Very careful.
with this box. So. Okay, let's pull it out.
Here.
You could, yeah, pull slowly. Did the unboxing. Get the
Oh, that's sad.
Oh, it says peel here. See, I just gotta follow directions. Okay. Oh my gosh, and I got a special color, so I got to pick the color that I want.
I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend.
And I picked this color. It was between purple, sage, and this yellow. And the reason why I went with the yellow is because it matches the desk. So this is the new Confused. Pictures?
I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, got a mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, got a mean stash.
white on the back. It's very small. It does have some new buttons like this one here, but it's gold in the background and around the edges. Very sleek. This is the mouse.